Hello everyone, my name is Chen and I'm a creator on Hideout TV. You probably know Hideout TV as a platform where you can make money by watching video, but actually there's another way around and you can earn much more by uploading videos. So today I'm going to take you to the creator site and probably you can decide whether you want to become a creator as well. Firstly, this is what my channel looks like from the outside. And I'm actually very excited this week because I just hit another milestone. Now the total view reached 2 million. Let's go to the creators portal. If you're a creator as well, you can find the menu on the upper right side. Now we're looking at the videos I uploaded. I can't believe there's already 100 videos. Now I'm uploading 3 times a week. And so here they are the most recent ones, and you can see each of them are getting like 1,000 plus views. The older the video is, the more views it gets. Okay, let's continue the journey and we go to the channels on the left where you can find the bigger picture view of my channel. So you can set up multiple channels here. I only have one. And now you can see the total view is 2 million and my subscriber is around 1,000. And let's go to latest comments and find out the interactions from the people. You can see here, firstly, there's a lot of real audience who's commenting. And secondly, they're from all over the world, so a lot of them are commenting in Spanish, I think, so I couldn't understand. I only like the ones in English, which I do. Perhaps when the platform further develops, they can add a translation feature. And finally, let's go to the earnings and see how much money I've earned so far. The answer is $200, and most of them have already been paid to me. So what do you think? On one side, apparently the rate is not so high, considering I already made 2 million views. But on the other side, I think it's still acceptable because I'm just getting started and I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, which means under the same situation, YouTube wouldn't pay me anything. If you wonder how to upload video, I'll quickly show you. Just click the first item on the left and you can complete the task on this page. And once it's been submitted, you can find the video in Bending Videos tab. It's empty for now, but I'll show an example later. Before that, I'll show you the payment proof. So this is my PayPal account, and let's go to the activities. So I've been exploring different ways to earn passive income. And you can see the ones who paid me the most are from Ascent Media. So these are the earnings I earned from Hideout TV. So you can see they are paying me every month and it's very stable. And this spreadsheet summarizes how my channel grows. So in the first month, I was very hardworking, uploading every day. Then I have to slow down as I'm running out of footages. Luckily, I'm able to travel again when the pandemic is somehow getting over control. And now you can see a speed up in recent growth. Let us also check how other people is doing on Hideout TV. So let's see the recommended videos. Oh, I just found another person who's doing video featuring one short feature. And let's see how he is doing. So you can see not bad, he's getting close to 1 million and these are his videos. So you can see the difference, his video is much longer and I think it works better on YouTube, but on Hideout TV, the payment is based on the views, not the view time, so probably this is why I get an advantage in earnings. Okay, let's explore more. Let's check out this tag channel and let's see how it goes. So also like 2 million total views, and it looks like a good one. I'm not sure whether tech videos work well on Hideout TV, but I do know one genre that works really well, and that is food. And let's see some show more foods. I'm sorry for the slow connection on my internet. So you see this video seems like works really well. It gets 200,000 views. And let's go to the channel and see more. And OMG, 44.5 million views, which means they are earning around $4,000 from Hideout TV if the rate is the same. And let's see the videos. So it looks like it uploads every week, and from the views you can see every video works so well. So food is definitely a very popular genre on Hideout TV. Now it's actually a few hours after my first recording, and I'm trying to uploading a new video. So I'll show you the whole process. Here I'm opening a dialog to select a video. Sorry you can't see it because I'm only recording things on this tab. Now you can see it's uploading. Then you just need to fill in everything. So I have already prepared all the text, and all I need to do is to control and paste. Okay, select your channel and upload the image. You probably notice I'm uploading square videos at this moment. One of the reasons is short videos are trending at this moment, and I also want to prepare this video to upload them to Instagram, to TikTok, so this can do all the jobs. And now I'm submitting the video. And finally the video is submitted, and we can find the video in the pending videos. Hey guys, something very interesting comes up when I was doing the editing. You can see here the video I just uploaded has already passed the review, but something is wrong. It's showing to be uploaded 51 years ago. Let's go to the video page. So look at the page, you can see something isn't right on this page. You can see there's two people like the video, but it's not shown here. And the published here is empty. And the text is not fully displayed. And how it's looking on the creator's panel, I'll show you now. So you can see here it appears to be alright, but the date is actually the date of the current time when I was doing the recording, and the views doesn't count, although there's at least 2 people who have watched this video and liked it. So I have already submitted a support, and I'll let you know how things goes.